Hello and welcome to Business Reporter's Industrial Innovation Campaign. From the first industrial revolution in the 17th and 18th centuries right through to today, manufacturers have always looked at ways to do things faster, better and more efficiently, whilst not compromising on quality. It seems like we're on a never-ending quest for improvement, and today's talk of intelligence automation, AI and machine learning dominate the professional discourse when it comes to improving manufacturing and logistics. But the SCIO Automation Group, a global industrial automation conglomerate, believes that recent technology breakthroughs such as these have brought with them a real opportunity in the shape of the smart factory, which has real potential when it comes to increasing efficiency, flexibility and safety in production. But what is a smart factory? Here to tell us is Michael Goepfarth, CEO of SCIO Automation. Good morning, Michael.
Good morning.
Automation is one of your keywords. But it's not a new term. I mean, since the Industrial Revolution, manufacturers and factories have aimed for it. So tell us about the recent trends and challenges. I mean, what's different now?
I think the main difference is that automation is no longer a niche product for innovation later. You have to make your processes automated. If not, you are no more competitive. Taking such things like autonomous mobile robot solutions or industry-specific gripping systems, that gives you absolutely new opportunities to increase efficiency, quality of the product, and to safeguard your production. And, which is also much more important, production and logistics are coming absolutely closer together. And that it's only working if you integrate all the things, products, machines, plants, processes in one overall system.
Okay, let's imagine I'm the CEO of a motor parts manufacturing company and we've installed everything that a smart factory needs. What do the production and logistics actually look like?
Imagine in the morning you come to your office, you sit down, open your laptop, and on one glance, with one view, you see every single production step or even every single product in your production where it is. You have a completely overview on a real-time database. That's, I would say, absolutely significant progress in comparison to every other situation in the past. And logistics and production are one unit in such a smart factory. You see everything and you can act in advance. You don't have to wait until the problems are coming up. And so you can increase quality and efficiency significantly.
I mean, surely everybody wants these things, but hardly anybody has them. Why is that?
I think three topics. First, every CEO I'm talking to knows he has to change his processes to stay competitive and to meet with the rising demands of the clients. But to change something means you have to think about and rethink your proven processes. And that always encounters resistance. Second, most of our clients have tested already automation solutions, but they don't have a completely overview. They tested some single isolated solutions, and therefore they are very disappointed with the results. You cannot only go for a single solution. You have to look at your whole process and then decide what steps you are taking to realize a smart factory by automation. The third topic is Most of the big companies have developed their own processes over 20, 40, 50 years. I have seen many innovations in the last years which failed, not because the product is not running, because it was impossible to implement these products in existing processes of big companies. At the end, our clients expect from us that we are a reliable partner who help them to decide and discuss what is the way to automate processes and realize a smart factory, starting from planning, then realizing, and sure also after sales.
Give us an example about the problems that you've listed. I mean, how do they manifest themselves?
Imagine a ballet performance. There are 10, maybe 20 ballet dancers, and each of them is performing in a very nice way. But if you look at the total performance, and then it's much more than the single performance of one dancer. And that's very similar if you have 100 robots. If you are going to implement each robot alone, it's running. But if you want to get the best of the complete performance, you have to implement them in an overhaul system and not to install each single robot.
Tell us, what does SCIO bring to the table?
In general, SCIO is going to help our clients to their way to a smart factory. We are integrators and innovators. First, give us every hard or software product, we will integrate it into the process landscape of our clients. That starts from warehouse solution, transportation, intra-logistic solutions, assembly solution, product automation, even software programming. We are seeing it as a whole unit. And if we see there is no solution on the market for our customers, we are going to develop a new special solution for them. Therefore, we are innovators.
Let's put the smart factory into the business and economic context. In high-wage countries, recent years have seen heated debates and regulations about protecting jobs at home versus outsourcing for labour cost efficiency. How do the efficiencies in a smart factory impact the outsourcing practices?
Imagine a world where you can produce regionally with less waste and with more efficiency. Only smart factories are the door opener for it. If I remember the last 25 years, we were focusing all on a worldwide production system. Making one factory for one product at one location in the world, highest, biggest volume ever there, and then we shipped it to the rest of the world. Now, seeing what has happened as the supply chain broke down during COVID, and also due to the climate discussion, we know this way maybe it's not the future. So, if we switch to a smart factory, we can produce in future very flexible every product in every region. And that has a huge positive impact on climate and efficiency. And there, the only solution are smart factories.